Your eyesight is one of your most important senses. 80% of what we perceive comes through our sense of sight. By protecting your eyes, you will reduce the odds of blindness and vision loss while also staying on top of any developing eye diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma. Caring for your vision doesn't begin and end with eyeglasses, contact lenses and corneal modification surgeries like LASIK. There are many other things you can do to maximize and protect the vision you currently have. Several studies have shown that a diet high in the nutrients lutein and zeaxanthin can help slow down the progression of sight-robbing diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. In addition, taking steps to prevent visual trauma, like bruises and cuts to the eye, can guard against permanent vision loss. Regular use of eye protection on the job, at home and while playing sports can prevent up to 90% of eye injuries. Other preventable dangers that can build over time include digital eye strain and overexposure to ultraviolet rays. In addition, over 10 million U.S. children suffer from undetected vision problems, even when they pass a school vision screening. These vision problems can negatively affect their school performance. An essential component of healthy vision is a yearly comprehensive eye examination. Doctors of optometry detect and treat problems and conditions of the eye and can help you get the most from your vision. They can also diagnose systemic health problems that require treatment by your primary care physician, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Eye fatigue, headache, loss of sight. It's time to be alarmed. Our eyes are more and more in demand and tired by the screens. To keep them fit on a daily basis, it is important to maintain your vision through a few simple exercises of eye gymnastics. Previously, eye tests and exams. Everyone needs to have their eyesight tested to check for vision and eye problems. Children usually have vision screening in school or at their healthcare provider's office during a checkup. Adults may also get vision screenings during their checkups. But many adults need more than a vision screening. They need a comprehensive dilated eye exam. Getting comprehensive dilated eye exams is especially important because some eye diseases may not have warning signs. The exams are the only way to detect these diseases in their early stages, when they are easier to treat. The exam includes several tests. A visual field test to measure your side peripheral vision. A loss of peripheral vision may be a sign of glaucoma. A visual acuity test, where you read an eye chart about 20 feet away, to check on how well you see at various distances. Tonometry, which measures your eye's interior pressure. It helps to detect glaucoma. Dilation, which involves getting eye drops that widen your pupils. This allows more light to enter the eye. Your eye care provider examines your eyes using a special magnifying lens. This provides a clear view of important tissues at the back of your eye, including the retina, macula, and optic nerve. If you have a refractive error and are going to need glasses or contacts, then you will also have a refraction test. When you have this test, you look through a device that has lenses of different strengths to help your eye care professional figure out which lenses will give you the clearest vision. At what age you should start getting these exams and how often you need them depends on many factors. They include your age, race, and overall health. For example, if you are African American, you are at higher risk of glaucoma and you need to start getting the exams earlier. If you have diabetes, you should get an exam every year. Check with your healthcare provider about if and when you need these exams. Exercises to protect your eyesight. Number 1. Blink. It is the simplest, but also the most essential exercise to protect your sight when in front of a screen. When a luminous point is fixed, there is a tendency to lessen the blinking of the eyelids, which tires the eyes. To moisten them, every quarter of an hour, blink intensely for a minute. You will feel much better quickly. Number 2. Close your eyes. It is important to rest your eyes when they are too close to a screen. Close your eyes and place your palms on your eyelids to block the light. Your hands allow you to achieve complete darkness and recharge your eyes with their heat. Consider deep breathing during this 1 to 2 minute rest session. If you are suffering from a migraine, close your eyes and lean backwards with your head against the back of your chair. Number 3. Move your eyes. When looking at the screen, eyes quickly get tired. Regular breaks and a little eye gymnastics are essential. This exercise is easy to do when you have little time. Look in front of you and make circles clockwise with your eyes. Perform the same movement in reverse. This way, you maintain your visual acuity and you strengthen your eye muscles. Number 4. Do the pencil exercise. After hours of work in front of the screen, this exercise is ideal to strengthen your eye muscles. Ophthalmologists sometimes use it during checkups to test the vision of their patient. With one hand, stretch a pencil at the level of your eyes, but at an arm's length. Without ever taking your eyes off the pencil, bring it closer to your nose and, then, move it away. Lift it up and lower it in turn. Repeat these movements several times. It is an excellent gymnastics for the eyes. Number 5. Do the sign of infinity exercise. Also called lying 8, this exercise is a more elaborate variant of the preceding one. Draw the infinity sign in the air with your thumb starting from the center and proceeding from top to bottom. Follow your finger with your eyes to soften your eye muscles and improve your peripheral vision. Repeat the exercise 3 times. Number 6. Follow the blank spaces of a page. Do you spend hours reading intensively to the point that your eyes are coming out of your head? This exercise can help you improve your reading skills. Fix your gaze on a page of text, but, instead of focusing on the black text lines, follow the blank spaces. This is effective for taking a break from reading without losing concentration. Number 7. Massage your eyes. Most headaches are due to eye strain. Turn off your screen for a few moments to offer yourself a small eye massage session. Place the tip of your index finger on your temples and perform slow circles for 30 seconds. Then, rub your eyes circularly with your fingertips following the contours of an imaginary mask. Finish by pinching the edge of your nose. These movements will make it possible to improve the circulation at the level of your eyes, but also to relax the frontal muscles. 8. Do eye acupuncture. It is possible to relieve visual fatigue and relax your cervicals through some acupuncture points, and it's so easy you can do it yourself. With your right hand resting on your navel, press the pulp of your left thumb over your sternum and perform a circular massage for 30 seconds. At the same time, move your eyes from right to left and up and down. This exercise will relax you and increase your concentration abilities. 9. Do eye yoga. Some yoga postures can help you improve your vision. For this exercise, you must be standing and have sufficient space to move. With your legs more apart than your shoulders, and knees flexed, stretch your arms in all directions, alternately following the movements of both hands. Not only do these movements allow you to relax your body, but they improve your peripheral vision. You also become aware of the space around you, which teaches you to better deal with spatial indications. Important, you can think of regular visits to the eye doctor as preventative maintenance for the rest of your body. The eyes are the windows to the body. They are the only place where your blood vessels can be viewed in their natural state without a surgical procedure. With this visual inspection of the blood supply, optometrists can spot many health conditions and vision problems just by taking a glance into your eyes. Finally, healthy brain function needs healthy eyesight. The brain is our most vital organ, allowing us to live complex lives. Considering that your optic nerve connects your eyes and your brain, a healthy co-dependent relationship is necessary. By keeping your eyes healthy, you keep your brain healthy, improving your overall quality of life. Good vision contributes to improved athletic ability, better driving skills, improved learning and comprehension, and better quality of life. Your future can be colorful and full of life just by making sure you see your optometrist as recommended. Do you want to know more about health and wellness? Would you like to know how to live a healthy and natural lifestyle? You have reached the right place, the Natural Healthy Lifestyle channel. We really would love you subscribe and activate the bell. It would be very appreciated. And remember, we love you. So we will help you to have a natural and healthy lifestyle. Take care of your health. And enjoy life.